Hello, my name is Timothy Watson. I'm the Senior Litigation Partner at Provident Law. Today I'd like to talk to you about something important, and that is the Arizona Fraudulent Transfer Act. This act in Arizona deals specifically with creditors and debtors. A creditor is someone who is owed money. A debtor is someone who owes money to the creditor, someone who has a claim against them. Sometimes that claim is already in a judgment signed by a judge. The Arizona Fraudulent Transfer Act deals with the transfer of assets from a debtor to someone else. There are specific things that a debtor can do with his assets when a claim is pending or already brought to a judgment in court. There's things that a debtor cannot do. And primarily, that's what this act deals with, what a debtor cannot do with assets. One thing a debtor cannot do is make a transfer of assets with an intent to hinder or delay a creditor. That is, a creditor's ability to enforce a judgment in court against the debtor. Another aspect of the act is if a debtor tries to sell an asset or transfer an asset for less than reasonable value. We recently had a case at the firm where we represented a creditor pursuing a judgment against a debtor. The debtor tried to sell an expensive sports car to a relative for $100. That would be an instance of a debtor trying to transfer an asset for less than reasonable value. A third aspect of the act deals with a debtor who might try and transfer an asset and then flee the jurisdiction. In other words, they sold an asset when there was a claim of a creditor pending and they left the jurisdiction, or in this case, left the state of Arizona. The Arizona Fraudulent Transfer Act is a complicated law, and it's something that every business owner should be aware of. Small businesses, family businesses, and large businesses should be aware of the provisions of this act. Thank you very much.